Content is king and queen. How to make great affiliate content. You have your website and have picked your affiliate programs. What do you do next? It's time to make great content that draws in visitors and turns them into paying customers. Why content matters so much. Content is like bait that draws fish in. No one will bite if your bait is boring or unappealing. But if your bait is tasty and hard to resist, you'll catch a lot of fish. What kinds of content are good for affiliate marketing? Reviews of products. Write honest and thorough reviews of the things you're selling. How-to guides. Show people how to do something in your niche and suggest products along the way. Comparison charts. Let people see how different products in your niche stack up against each other and help them pick the best one for them. Lists of the best. Make lists of the best things in a certain group, like the 5 best coffee makers of 2025. Studies of cases. Give real-life examples of how products have helped people. Make video reviews, how-tos, or demos. How to write great affiliate content. Know your audience. Find out what they need, what they like, and what bothers them. Be real. Only promote products that you believe in and would tell your friends about. Give value. Make content that helps your audience reach their goals or solve problems. Be clear and to the point. Don't use jargon and use plain language. Use pictures and videos to make your content more interesting. Make it easy for search engines to find your content by using the right keywords. Add a call to action. Tell people what you want them to do, like click here to learn more. Things to avoid when making content. Making content for no reason. Every piece of content should have a reason for being made. Not providing value. Don't just repeat what you've heard. Give new ideas and points of view. Being too salesy. Don't just try to sell things to your audience, try to help them. Not using SEO. Your content won't help you much if no one can find it. Not sharing your content. Use email, social media, and other channels to share your content. How important it is to be consistent. The more content you make, the more chances you have to get people to come to your site and buy things. Try to make new content on a regular basis. The bottom line. If you want to be a successful affiliate marketer, you need to make great content for your affiliates. Make sure to give value, be real, and optimize for SEO. And don't forget to tell people about your content.